Hello, Namaste, welcome to Havilas Elsha Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare some more special recipe mango coconut burfi using with some dry fruits. It's very delicious and tasty recipe. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients: sugar powder, 1 cup coconut powder, 1 cup almond powder, 1 cup cashew nut powder, condensed milk, 1 mango finely pasted, and pista nuts, almonds, milk powder. And here I am having 1 silver leaf. It's optional. Okay, it is only 1 mango paste. Okay, now take a pan, add a very little bit of butter. Once the butter has melted, now add 1 cup of mango paste. Okay, now add 5 to 6 tablespoons of condensed milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar powder. If you want, you can add more. Okay, now mix all the ingredients together and cook this for 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. Okay, once you get the thick consistency like this, now add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and mix it well. Once it is nicely mixed, now add 1 cup of coconut powder and 1 cup of cashew nut powder and 1 cup of almond powder. Mix all the ingredients together nicely. Okay, once it is well combined, now add some saffron strands. Okay, once you will get the consistency like this, that's all, your burfi is ready. Now apply some ghee to the bowl and pour your burfi batter. Flat the surface by using your spoon and put your silver leaf on top of the burfi. Okay, now sprinkle some almond and pista nuts and press them by using your spatula. Okay, now keep this in refrigerator for at least half an hour to 1 hour. Okay, after half an hour, cut the burfi into your favorite shapes by using the knife. And serve to your loved ones. That's all, your favorite mango coconut burfi is ready. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye, lovelies.